This is the SOP of closing a listing whenever we run out of stock. In order to not lose rank and sales velocity data from Amazon is being as good as it can for us, it is important that whenever we run out of stock on a specific variation, like in this case here on the knee support size small, and Amazon Seller Central actually tells us inactive out of stock, but we need to close this listing. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is to check if there is a business price here. If there is a business price right here, we need to delete it and then click Save over here. There's a little warning that comes up. We just say yes. It's important that we do that. If not, we cannot do the second step of this SOP. Once we've removed the business price, we go on the menu here to the right-hand side, and we simply choose the option of Close Listing. Ask us if we are sure on what we're doing. You say yes, continue, and that's it. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that time period you will see this listing here to appear as closed. So after a few minutes we can see the listing here being marked as inactive closed, and that's okay. If we need to reopen the listing, either because the stock is coming back in or because we need to create a shipping plan or something like that, we simply go to the right here where it says Relist. We click on that, wait for the page to load, we simply scroll down and click Save and Finish. Then again, you will have to wait for a couple of minutes until Amazon updates it, and you will see the listing again as active, but of course out of stock as long as there is no stock coming in yet.